Hi there, students. More than meets the eye. There's more to this than meets the eye. There's more than meets the eye to this. So it means there is something deeper than what it just appears to be. It's more complicated than is readily noticeable, more complicated than is obviously apparent. Okay, so if there's more than meets the eye to something, there are hidden motives. There's more than meets the eye to his generosity. He wants something. Yeah, there's maybe a hidden meaning or hidden facts. There's more than meets the eye to finding the solution to this. It looks obvious, but it's not. So there clearly some sort of hidden facts to it. There's a lot more to it than meets the eye. Yeah, it's not completely obvious. So this game looks really easy to play, but there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. Yeah, it's more difficult to understand than it appears. It involves more things than you thought at the beginning. Yeah, you look at something and think, that's easy, I can do that, no problem. And then you suddenly start to have problems, and that's where you say, there's more to this than meets the eye. Yeah, there's more than meets the eye to this. It's not as obviously easy as I thought it was. Yeah, so something that has more merit or is more important or has more facets than initially perceived. Yeah, I heard the story he told me, but there's more to it than meets the eye. It's a lot deeper than that. It's a lot more complicated than that. And I'm sure there is a sub-story to it. He seems like a very simple person who comes from a rural background. But there's more to him than meets the eye. He has more qualities, more merit than you can see openly. He looks just like a country bumpkin, but there's a lot more to him than meets the eye. Okay, so why do you think this is so easy? There's a lot more to it than meets the eye. Okay, that is obviously visible. Yeah, maybe something has a hidden significance. The story sounds very clear and very plausible, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Yeah, it's something deeper than is obvious at the beginning. Okay, the agreement that we made looks really simple and really obvious, but I'm sure there's more to it than meets the eye. Yeah, it's more complicated than it first appears. Yeah, there's more than meets the eye. Formality. I think I would probably give this. I think I'm going to give it a 4.5 in formality. Use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation, use it in a semi-formal writing. I think in something very formal, it might not be the ideal place. And then, well, there's more than meets the eye, than what you can see, what is apparent, what comes directly into your eye at first observation. So I think many people say that learning English, it's got to be easy, but there's more than meets the eye to learning English, as you all know. Notice that as well, more than meets the eye to doing something. That too is the dependent preposition. There's more than meets the eye to this, to noun. There's more than meets the eye to understanding. There's more than meets the eye to doing. There's more than meets the eye to accomplishing your goals. Yeah, there's more than meets the eye to winning this game. Okay, so yeah, try using this phrase. I think it's a good one to include in your essay. So it talks about hidden facts, hidden values, hidden difficulty, hidden problems. Yeah, he looks like a very simple country man, but there's more to him than meets the eye. Yeah, he looks like a football hooligan, but there's more to him than meets the eye. Yeah, people say he's just a biker, but there's a lot more to him than meets the eye. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. More to something than meets the eye. More than meets the eye.